Perfect prepositions. Mastering your English grammar. Hello, English language learners. Welcome to a new video in our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we are going to delve into an essential part of English grammar, prepositions. This video will guide you through what prepositions are, how they function, and more importantly, we will practice choosing the correct preposition in different contexts. Remember, prepositions may be small words, but they hold significant power in making our sentences clear and meaningful. So, let's jump right into it. Prepositions are short words that usually stand before nouns or pronouns to show direction, location, time, or to introduce an object. They help us understand relationships between words and phrases in sentences. Some examples of prepositions include words like in, at, on, over, and through. Here's an example. She is sitting on the chair. In this sentence, the preposition on helps us understand where she is sitting. Choosing the correct preposition can sometimes be a bit tricky as the usage largely depends on the context. A simple trick to remember is that prepositions are often followed by a noun. It could be a noun, pronoun, noun phrase, or even a verb in the ing form. Let's take a look at an example. She is going to the supermarket. Here, to is the preposition and supermarket is the noun. Now, let's test your knowledge with some practice exercises. I will give you sentences with missing prepositions and your job is to fill in the blanks with the correct preposition. 1. We are going _____ the movie theater. 2. At. 2. I found my keys _____ the table. On. In. 3. She lives _____ New York. In. At. Try to fill in these blanks and check your answers in the comments section. Great job today, everyone! We hope this video has helped clarify how prepositions work and how to choose the right one in your sentences. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep practicing these exercises and soon choosing the correct preposition will become second nature to you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning videos. Until next time, happy learning!